Hey, what's happening, everybody? I would just like to welcome you to the FLN Mobile Network. My name is Cashmere Rich. I am the president and CEO of this great mobile network. I just want to say I'm excited today because guess what? Our mobile network launched today, man. We got it going on. We're helping people to make money using their what? Mobile devices, right? What we're doing is we're eliminating rent, mortgage, car loan, insurance, utility bills, life essential costs, right? And helping you to get money in for your lifestyle, man. This is super exciting. I'm going to be going through this really briefly. I'm not going to keep you long just to show you how it is that we're doing this. Now, what you must understand about this particular network is we're working with crowdfunding. Everybody's familiar with crowdfunding, right? The GoFundMe and different things. But what happened to us that was really super special was in 2012, President Obama signed the Jobs Act, which simply means that we can now crowdfund with each other to help each other to succeed. Let me read this to you really quickly so you can get an idea about what I'm talking about. In May of 2012, the final crowdfunding rule of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, better known as the SEC, went into effect, making it possible for entrepreneurs across the country to raise small dollar investments from ordinary Americans. That's us, right? This new rule is a result of the Jumpstart Our Business Startups, aka the Jobs Act. When President Obama signed the Bipartisan Jobs Act, he said this about the law's crowdfunding provision, and I quote, "This bill is a potential game changer. Right now, you can only turn to a limited group of investors, including banks and wealthy individuals, to get funding. Because of this bill, startups and small business will now have access to a big new pool of potential investors, namely the American people. For the first time, ordinary Americans will be able to go online and invest in entrepreneurs that they believe in." That's right. We can invest in each other because why? We believe in each other, of course. Now, let's take a look at exactly what crowdfunding is. Crowdfunding is the practice of funding a project and or venture by raising small amounts of money from a large number of people, typically via the internet and or offline. Crowdfunding is a form of crowdsourcing and considered a great source for alternative financing. In the year 2015, over $34 billion was raised worldwide by crowdfunding. So a much more simple definition would be that crowdfunding is people simply helping people. That's it, guys. We're not selling any lotions, potions, and gimmicks. We're simply helping each other through a crowdfunding platform. Now let's look at our mobile crowdfunding platform over here at FLN Mobile. Right, the mobile crowdfunding is similar to the original crowdfunding aspect, except the entire setup and operation is done right from your mobile device, right? You imagine being able to end your bills using your mobile device. Ask yourself this question: how many people do you know that have a mobile device, right? The answer is everybody. Everybody got a mobile phone. Even the children have $2,000 phones. This tells us that everyone has the ability to use our one-of-a-kind mobile network to eliminate all of their monthly bills. Our network is designed to put the power of mobile marketing right into the hands of people that understand that times are changing. These people understand that smartphones are more than just devices that they can be used to play games with, watch videos, and browse social media sites. Instead, smartphones are the tools that can also create unimaginable wealth. And I'm going to show you guys how we're going to do that today, right? So this is what we're doing, guys. The No More Bills monthly program, right? What we're doing is this. Imagine what your life would be if you had no more rent, mortgage, car loan, insurance payments, no more utilities and services costs, no more life essential costs, and no more lifestyle expenses. Your life will change dramatically, right? What I'm about to introduce to you is a crowdfunding strategy that we designed in 2012. And that strategy, guys, is helping our members to achieve financial freedom while helping them to eliminate their monthly bills. Our overall objective, right, is to help people to eliminate all monthly bills by simply using their mobile device. That's it. Many people struggle monthly trying to make ends meet just in order to have enough money to cover bills and family needs. If we eliminate the monthly bills and then implement monthly income, financial freedom can be obtained in record-breaking time. Furthermore, our sights are set on the elimination of the following 6 life-draining components that's probably plaguing somebody's life that's looking at this right now. We want to eliminate your rent, mortgage, car loan, insurance, utilities and services costs, life essential costs, and your lifestyle costs. And if we can do that, we can probably get rid of that dead-end 9-to-5 job. That's our mission over here. Now, what I want you to do is this. Think about the power of 6. That's it. Just think about the power of six. I know a lot of times on Facebook and different programs, people get involved in a lot of stuff that require a whole lot of recruiting and all. No, no, no. I want you to focus upon the power of six, and the power of six is going to create you wealth. Now, watch this. Let's be realistic. Everybody knows six people that would love to be monthly bill free. I'm going to say that again. Everyone that's watching this right now, you know six people that would love to be monthly bill free. And I'm not talking about people on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I'm talking about you personally know six people that would love to be monthly bill free, right? Everyone knows six or more people that has a smartphone that would love to be 100% bill free. By simply sharing this great opportunity to join our mobile network, right, with your family, friends, and even total strangers, can help you to eliminate your monthly bills in less than 30 days. That's my goal, guys. If you're serious about it and you can focus on what it is we're doing, my plan is to help you to eliminate your bills in 30 days. Furthermore, my next plan is to try to get at least $2,500 using this mobile device into your account within the next 14 days. But it's going to take you working with me, showing up, showing out, right? It's going to take you learning what it is we're doing. Now, when it comes to taxes, let's look at the crowdfunding taxes, right? And this is super important, but it's super simple at the same time. A contribution to any individual's crowdfunding campaign is considered a gift, right? And if that gift is to be taxed, it would have to be over $15,000, guys. Let's look at how it works. From 2002 to 2005, you could receive up to $11,000 before paying the taxes. But if you scroll down here and take a look at all the way at 2020, we can receive up to $15,000 in payments, guys, in donations from people without even worrying about paying taxes. We've designed our program like this. We've structured our mobile crowdfunding network whereas our members will only receive $6,000 per year in donation per person that donates to you. So we are well below the tax base, guys. And not only that, we also use Bitcoin and cash. So that means that you can just continue to receive donations over and over. Now, how do we do this? We build mobile power lines. Power lines with us are people. These people are the ones that we put into our power line. Let's take a look at this. A mobile power line is our donation structure, which consists of one power line builder, that's you, the recipient, and a minimum, just bring in six people, right, into your power line. They're considered to be conduits, okay, because they are the conduits to your wealth. The goal is for the recipient to build as many power lines as possible. Each power line has a donation potential of what? $3,000. That's just from you sharing this with six people that don't want to pay bills anymore, guys. $3,000 per power line. And you can build as many power lines as you want. Your power line donations can come in the form of cash and or Bitcoin. Now, the power lines are residual. That is super exciting. They are residual. Our mobile power lines are residual. This means that each month you will receive payments that targets your bills, right? You're going to receive payments that target your rent and mortgage, your car loan and insurance, your utilities and services, your life essential costs, and your lifestyle expenses, all coming in. As you start to build mobile power lines, you will see your bills reduce all the way down to zero. This is just common sense stuff. And check this out, guys. This is what makes it super important. You never have to worry about paying a monthly residual because we've designed the program for it to be free. We have designed our mobile network whereas no member pays a residual. Our simple yet powerful structure is designed to have each member's first power line. Your first power line sign up covers your monthly residual payment. And don't worry, you don't have to worry about them and them not paying because it's not coming out of their pocket neither. It's coming out of their first person's pocket and out of their first person's pocket. So that means no one actually pays a residual to be here. That is simply ingenious, isn't it? Mobile power line builder responsibility. This is your only responsibility for being here. As a mobile power line builder, it is your responsibility to build each of your power lines by adding a minimum of six people to each of your power lines. That's it. Once you bring in six and you hit 3,000, go find six more people that don't want to pay bills. Hit another 3,000. How many people in the world don't want to pay bills? These six people can be friends, family members, or even total strangers. It doesn't matter because everyone wants to be 100% monthly bill free. Now, understand something. When I go down here and I get to showing you this, you're going to get it really well, and that's what I'm about to do right now. So, this is the question. Would you pay $110 to join this network to eliminate your monthly bills? You only pay $110 one time, and once you pay your $110, you're going to be getting your $100 back. The $10 pay for you to be here, but I'm going to show you how you get your $100 back. That means that you're here absolutely 100% free. Man, would you pay 110 one time to eliminate all your bills? That is a loaded question. Let's take a look at what you are paying for your monthly bills right now. How much are you paying for your bills right now? Would you pay 110 to get it down to zero? I did, right? Everybody in the network did. The smart move is, yeah, you do it. Now, let's get started. Let's get it going and get you, the understanding you need to go for. Step one, we're going to build your first power line. Now, that power line is your passive power line. So remember, you pay residual to be here. It's 5 pages times 100, 500. But we're going to show you how you do not pay anything. Plus, we're going to get 2,500 into your account within the next 14 days if you allow us to and you work with us. Okay, let's build a power line number one. First thing we're going to be eliminating is rent, mortgage, car loan, insurance, utility bills, life essential costs, lifestyle. This is considered your portfolio. We're going to put these pieces into your portfolio and show you how to earn with it. Okay, we have the package donation, number of donors, donations received, package upgrades, and the money that you get to put into your pocket to go spend. So the first thing you do, you're going to pay $100 into your sponsors, rent a mortgage. You're going to share this with 6 other donors, right, which are your conduits, and then you're going to collect $600 based upon that 6 people paying 100. You're going to then take 100 from that, upgrade into the car loan insurance, banking 500. Right now, the next thing you're going to do is have your people follow you because everybody doing the same thing. They're going to come into the car loan, paying you another 600. You're going to pinch 100 off of that, send it up to the utilities, banking another 5. Here come your people duplicating that effort all the way down, guys, until you have all of your pages in your situation, your portfolio is full. That's going to give you 3,000. When you subtract how much you paid to go in each level, that leaves 500, right, that you spent, giving you a total of 2,500. That was the first 2,500 that we said we wanted to put into your account. See how easy that was? And all you did was brought 6 people that didn't want to pay bills. Now what we're going to do is build another power line with 6 new conduits, 6 new people. Now, this time you have nothing to invest in. That's why all of this says 0. Now check this out. You're going to bring in 6 new people paying you at 100 times the 6 people, 600, nothing going out of your account, 600 earned. Continue that progression all the way down through there for a total of another 3,000. Add that with your previous power line number one. Now you're at a total of 5,500. Let's build another power line. Same thing, bringing in 6 people, nothing coming out of your pocket, right? Them 6 people times that $100, 600, stays in your account. Continue that progression all the way down for another 3,000. Set up another power line. You're at 8,500, right? You're at 8,500. Set up another power line. You can set up as many as you want. Each power line has the value of 3,000. Bring in 6 more people at that 100, right? Bam. Some 6 people times that 100 is 600. Nothing going out of your account. 600 staying in the bank. Continue that progression with them all the way down to the end for another 3,000, right? That's a total now of 11,005. See how simple that is? We did nothing, guys, no work, and we did it all with our mobile device. And how do you do it with your mobile device? It's simple, guys. This is all you're going to do. You're going to text people in your phone, right? You're going to set up your account first, get your $110 paid, get your first page. Then you're going to go to your mobile device and send 6 people a text message that's down here. We even give you the text message, right? I just been introduced to a way to knock 500 off of my rent a mortgage. You choose which one you're going to say, rent a mortgage, using my cell phone. I simply set up my cell phone by registering, right? I share it with other people just like I'm sharing it with you right now and start receiving donations. See, everything is done for you here. Super simple, guys. Super simple. Now, this is a brief breakdown of what we do. We have our webinars every night, and you're going to be able to come to our webinar when you become a member of our team and join our Facebook community. And I'm going to be breaking this down to you and anybody that you bring in. You see how I quickly showed you $11,000 going to your account? That is exactly what happens. Super duper simple. I want to welcome everybody to FLN Mobile Network. We've just begun. We're kicking it off. We're here now, guys. We are official. You can come over and start making money with us, eliminating your bills using what? Your mobile device, guys. Super exciting. So I want to welcome you right now to the Free Life Network mobile Network, and I'll see you on the inside. You guys take care, and thanks for coming. Have a great day.